Prison yard. Whoa, what is that? Go over there, dude. What is that? Stay back.
There's something behind the pole.
Dude, get out of here. Come on.
Back up,
back up. Back up.
See it? Tom, go check it out.
No, run. Stop. Check it out. Come on. Shit, man. Scared. Go back. Come on.
Take.
Go. Come on. Here.
Oh my God, it's falling over.
Here. Yo, can you see back there?
Yeah.
Can you see anything back there? No, with that. Can you see me?
Yeah, I can see you.
Here, come on.
Oh.
Follow here. Back here. Let's go, dude. Back here.
Huh?
I saw a rat. Yo, watch out for the rats, dude. Yo, I really did just see a rat. Dude, just a rat. Go. Go. Oh, shit, what is it? Go. Oh, shit. I really just... Turtle. Zoom in. Oh my God! What is that? What was that? Yo, what was that? Turtle, what was that, yo? Yo, hold up. No, you gotta make it protect. Because we're doing ghost stories, cool. I got the night vision on, dude. Let's go.
Hey, I went with this.
Yo, what is that, Paul? Stay back here, man. I can't see it. Yo, I just saw an orb, dude. What? I saw an orb or something.
You can see your phone, that's about all.
Oh, let me see.
Wait, I put night cam on. I can see phones.
Recording.
There's phones.
Stop.
Wait, where are we at?
I will turn out the phones.
Oh, I see Miller.
Turn
Look.
I'm turning out mine. Do you see me?
Yeah. I can't see nothing
Follow
right
me.
now.
Follow my
I'm trying. Sir, I can't see your light. It's facing toward me.
Yo, right here. This is like a SWAT team, baby.
Come on, watch the turtle disappear, Tom. Look. Say it, watch.
Can you see it? I can't see, dude. Oh, Jesus.
Do you hit your head?
Yeah.
Pat, can I have this? Hey.
Where we at?
Put that down. Yo. My basketball.
Oh my God!
Here you go. What the fuck is this thing? Can't see, dude.
I'm here. Where'd Golf go? I'm running out of tape.
Here we go. Oh, he's out there. He's outside. Out here, dude. What are you doing? I'm watching your hand.
I need to rewind some of the. Never mind, I can't. I only got 1 minute of tape left.
Come on. Where you at?
I see you!
Where?
Turn around.
Me?
Yeah, you.
I'm scared.
That way.
See?
Go outside.
You got some light?
into darkness.
Go outside in the
Terry, you go
dark.
first.
Go back, dude. I'm in.
Dude!
What?
Oh, I have no battery left.
Oh, what, it shut down?
No, it got like.
What is it?
It got like 1 second left.
You alright? Oh, yo, what is that? Come on, dude.
Huh.
lights, dude.
Come on. Nah, holy.
Yo, the light. Oh, here it is again. The light went back on. Yo, I'm scared, dude. Yo, what is that? Yo, go back here. What is it, dude? Yo, go in there. Come on.
Stay in here.
Yo, you want to check it out, dude? Yo, what is that, man?
Don't open it, yo.
Yo, close that door. Close the door. Yo, you see anything? Yo.
Go. I swear to God,
Dude, go over there. Tom, I got it. Dude, I don't know about this. Who's out there? You checking it? Hey, your dad was just out there, dude.
Yes, boy.
Yo, you hear something? Yo, hold it. Hold that door, yo.
Hold that shut, yo. I'm gonna see.
Yo, who you calling? You're scared?
That's Pori.
Yo, he's home, ain't he?
Cat, we just heard that.
we're gonna die.
Yo, I'm scared.
Is it taping?
Yes, it is.
You're getting the evidence.
Yo, I'm hiding under the... Dude, I'm going back. Oh, dude.
I can't hold it. Make it run for it.
Yo, my phone's not even beeping.
I see it.
See how it goes, when it comes somebody, it didn't even do that.
You alright, dude?
Count of 5. Make it run for it. All right.
Where are we gonna go? Wait.
2. That's not my dad. My dad's over there.
Dude, you ready?
Right. And Poli's not this strong.
He's not?
4, 5.
Go! Yo, somebody's peeking in over there. Who is that peeking in? Yo, what is... Hurry up, dude. Hurry up. I ain't going over there.
Murders would help in this place too.
No, I know. Tom? I'm scared. I don't know what to do. Yo, is that door open?
Yeah,
Let me check it out. Yo, I'm not... Dude, stay back. Oh, Jesus. Yo, I can't answer that.
Yo, just pick it up.
Trying, dude.
Pick it up.
Hold up.
What is it?
Hello? Hello? Paul.
Yo, we're running out of battery, yeah?
Yo, we're done. Come
We're
on.
running out of battery. Yo, we have 10 minutes left on it.
Yo, there's no film left. It's 0 minute. Is that bad? 0 minute?
This didn't happen.
No? Why is it still?